it's Kate with WTI, and if you're anything like me, then your skin is a top priority. I'm always looking to try new things, so I was so excited to receive the Real Collagen Fit from TOSOWOONG. This is the moisturizing boost formula, and let me tell you, does it ever do its job? So as you can see, I have a pretty uneven skin tone, no natural glow. This is a mask. You can decide how thick or how thin you want to apply it. I've found that the thicker you apply it, the nicer it comes off. So you do an even application on clean skin, and then you're gonna leave it to dry roughly 30 minutes to an hour. You can see that when it dries, it has a really nice glassy appearance. You then peel it off. It does not hurt at all. It peels off very easily. Even if it's stuck in your hair, it doesn't pull. You're then left with glowy, radiant skin. If you do have any remaining little pieces on there, which you probably will, you can just grab a cloth or a wipe and wipe it off. It just dissolves. I find my skin feels really soft and smooth and hydrated, and my makeup also applies so much better after. It has a bit of a rose scent, I find, so very pleasant, light scent, nothing overpowering. You get several applications out of one tube, so if you also want nice, glowy, hydrated skin, definitely give this face mask a try, and that's my point of view.